Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this Xbox front cover, then also the back cover. This is actually somewhat easy to do. So flip your controller around and then remove this piece right here, the battery cover. And then under here, you're going to need a T8 security screwdriver. And you can just use this to remove this one screw right here. And then we need to remove these covers. So I already got one removed. And I use this little plastic piece, and this will remove this without scratching it. And then you just have to peel down from the R2 button or the L2 button and just create some separation. And then this should pop off on you. It can be a little bit difficult at times, and one side might be easier than the other. But once you remove that, there's going to be 4 screws here, 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 plus your one in the middle. And you're going to have all your screws. Just make sure these are in the same place. They're not rolling around on you, falling into the carpet. So countertop, tabletop would be pretty good here. And then once you have all these removed, these 5 with this T8 security screwdriver, I bought this kit off online. It's called Techman. It comes with a T8 and T6 security screwdriver, which we need for our Xbox. But you could try just like a flathead, smaller flathead screwdriver. It comes with this little plastic piece as well. Once we have that removed though, we can just take this off. This front cover will come off. So if you look on Amazon, some of these kits, maybe from Extreme Rate or something like that, they might come with the tools to remove this also. And then the back cover will just pop off as well. So you can look online for custom ones. Very easy to replace and take it off. And they might actually come with tools by themselves. And then you can just place this back in. So you could remove the back covers, the front cover, then the thumbsticks too. You just have to lift up if you want to replace these, maybe get some blue ones or something too. So you can just completely deck out your controller. Now when placing on your back cover, the only thing that I should recommend is right here, these little things. Just make sure those are on the inside here, so they're not stuck in the controller. Otherwise you won't be able to charge your batteries at all. And it's something you're going to learn from if you do it, because you're going to be feeling pretty silly when you get that back on. Just make sure these are on the inside and you should be good to go. Place this on top and then you can screw this down and it should fit. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.